Dr. Ibrahim Abdulganiyu, Provost, Federal Cooperative College, Eleyele, IBadan. On behalf of the entire management, staff, and students of Federal Cooperative College, Eleyele, IBadan, we sincerely welcome His Excellency, the Minister of State for Agriculture and Food Security, Senator Dr. Aliyu Sabi Abdullahi, to the Federal Cooperative College, Eleyele, IBadan, on a 2-day working visit to launch a training program for cooperative stakeholders in the southwestern part of Nigeria. He has been to Federal Cooperative College, Kaduna, in the northern part. He has also visited Federal Cooperative College, Ojiriwa, for southeast and south-south exercise. He is with us here for the southwest axis, and we believe that at the end of this training program, Nigeria will definitely be better for it, because he has identified the cooperative subsector as an engine for economic growth and development of this country, especially in the area of food production and food security. And this is one of the major agenda of the present administration of President Ahmed Bola Tinubu. It is the good intention of the president that no Nigeria will go to bed hungry. And as a result of that, this program, this process, we believe will address the issue of policy implementation, especially in terms of access to inputs, production, processing, as well as marketing, that have been a major hindrance to agricultural development in Nigeria. At the end of this program, we believe all these issues will be addressed, and our cooperative sector will become a driver of the economy, particularly in the areas of agricultural and food production, so that agriculture will at the end of the day be able to take its rightful position to provide enough food, to provide foreign exchange, for us to earn foreign exchange, and to even generate employment, to also provide raw materials for our industry. Thank you, and God bless.